Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve for loop based question. Okay. So in for loop in Verilog is same as the other programming language. Okay. So here one question is given. A population count circuit counts the number of ones in an input vector, and population count circuit for a 255 bit input vector. Okay. So here one input is given, that is 255 bit. Okay. And we need to count the number of ones in that input. So here we can use that for loop. Here one module has already given input here 255 bit in and output 770 out. This is the 8-bit output. Okay. So first we need to declare one integer for loop, right? Integer I. Next we need to declare one counter so that we can store the counted result. So that should be 8-bit, same as the output. Okay. Next we can use here always at the rate asterisk then begin end. So here we need to write the for loop, right? So for I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 254. Next I equal to I plus 1, right? So in this way we can write this for loop conditions. So here begin and end. As I wrote here, I is less than and equal to means I value is go up to this 254. If I write like I is less than only I is less than 255, then that is also correct. Okay, you know that things. Next, if in of I is equal to 1, we need to check the where is the 1 is coming, right? So if in I is equal to 1 means first it will check in 0. In 0 is equal to 1. If 1, then here counter is incremented. Okay, counter equal to counter plus 1. Okay. Next for in 0 we check already. Next in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. So for all the cases up to 254 it will check if for any case this in of I is equal to 1 means this counter will incremented. Okay. So in this way we can one more thing in here we need to set counter equal to 0 initially. Okay. So in this way we can write this solution for that question. Let's check it. Okay, we got one error. Let's see. Okay, whatever we counted that we did not store in this output, that's why we got one error. Okay, so this counted result we need to give to this output, right, at last. So that we miss. Let's check it again. Okay, so now it is correct. So in this way we can solve these for loop based questions. Okay, so we will solve few more questions in the upcoming videos. Till that, thank you.